Welcome. I am Anirudh, Principal Solution Architect here at Axway. In this session, we will explore how Axway Transfer CFT can be used to streamline business process like onboarding of partners through its powerful and flexible APIs. But first, let's quickly talk about Axway Transfer CFT. It is designed to be the shortest, most secure path between two applications. It is a cross-platform solution supporting 16 operating systems, encryption, prioritized transfers, guaranteed delivery, BTCP authorization, and direct streaming to cloud storage. Ideal for effective and efficient internal data transfers. Transfer CFT includes a comprehensive set of ready-to-use operational APIs out of the box. These APIs cover a wide range of functions, including but not limited to initiating and monitoring transfers, managing partner configurations, defining send and receive templates, managing users and administrators, accessing detailed log for auditing and troubleshooting, and all other aspects of your file transfer ecosystem. For example, by opting to leverage these APIs, team can automate onboarding workflows, reduce manual configuration error, maintain consistency across environments. This API-first approach enhances operational agility and ensures that partner setup processes are faster, secure, standardized, and easy. To illustrate the value of these APIs, let's look at a practical business use case involving two internal systems, packaging and labeling. And they need to securely exchange print-ready files. In this scenario, neither of the partner exists, and we will set up the partner and send the file to test the peer-to-peer transfer, all using APIs. For the presented use case, the packaging system acts as a sender and is configured with partner profile and a send template that defines the file identifiers and other metadata of outgoing files. The labeling system acts as the receiver and is configured with its own partner profile and a receive template to accept and process the incoming files. This setup ensures that files are transferred securely and reliably within the corporate network. The use of templates standardizes the data exchange, while the partner profile ensures that each system knows exactly how to communicate with others, reducing errors and improving efficiency. Now, let's see it in action. For this demo purposes, we will use Postman to run an API collection. But in real world, it can be achieved using any other methods like executing curl commands, using RESTful clients, or integration platform capable of executing the APIs. To test this scenario, we have crafted a collection with few API calls. It will start by creating partner at sender followed by creation of send template. Identically, we will execute API calls for crafting partner at receiver end as well as a receive template. This automated collection will also execute an API to test a sample file. Here in the collection variables, we have defined all the parameters required for this test case, including sender, receiver, file identifier, and a source file location. Once done, click on Run. As you can see here, within such a short time, all the APIs are executed successfully. Also, our test file is sent from packaging to labeling. We can go inside the API calls to capture more response and other details as needed. Now, let's go ahead and validate the execution end-to-end. We can choose either packaging aka the sender CFT or labeling, which is our receiver CFT in this case. For now, let's verify the execution from sender's point of view. To do that, we will log in as an administrator to the Transfer CFT instance for our source application packaging. From the left menu, let's quickly go to Flow Definitions and then Partners. As we can see here, new partner named Labeling is created. Next, we will hover to the send template. Here we can also confirm that a new send template named Print is created based on the use case. Now, as the final verification step, let's choose Operations from the left menu and then Transfers. As we can see, few seconds ago a new transfer was created, which sent a print.txt file from packaging to labeling. We can also click on it to view more metadata about the transfer. Similarly, we could have also verified all the steps from receiver's point of view if required. With that, the demo concluded. We saw how you can leverage the ready-to-use operational APIs to automate partner setup and testing a transfer, all within few seconds. Now, this can also be standardized depending on organization's flow and orchestration needs. That leads us to the end of the video. Today, we saw one of the business use cases where we can use the ready-to-use APIs for faster adoption. It offers strategic advantages that extends well beyond initial setup. These ready-to-use APIs streamline upstream and downstream integrations, enabling dynamic partner configurations, order monitoring, broadcast list creation, transfer management, log access, and many more things. These automations accelerates time to value by reducing setup time, enhances operational agility through flexible configurations, and lowers cost by minimizing manual task and error. And that concludes the session for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. For more information, feel free to reach out to our Axway team. Till we meet again, take care, goodbye, and thank you.